Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to another episode where I show you what stocks I'm investing in on a weekly basis. As you can see, the portfolio is total portfolio is up to $125,847. We're up $10,000 or 9% all time. This is including cash, TFSA, FHSA, non-registered account, as well as crypto. We're going to begin this episode with investing into the TFSA, and we're going to continue dollar cost average into the S&P 500. Before we dive into that, as you can see, the portfolio is up to $82,000. We're up 12% or $8,977. As you can see with the graphs here, substantial increase lately in the stock market, so we're going to take advantage of that, continue to dollar cost average, and go from there. I think there's definitely a good advantage of getting that contribution room done early with both FHSA and TFSA. Again, if you guys don't already know, depending on your situation, but we do get $7,000 in TFSA room since January 1st of 2024, as well as $8,000 in FHSA room, and we're going to take advantage of both today. Oh, they've updated the platform here. That's kind of cool, so I don't have to keep guessing. Is it 7, 8, 9 shares? How many I can get? So that's kind of cool. So just click max and then review and submit order. Make this order good till canceled. Keep open for 90 days. That's kind of cool. Awesome. Well, great job. Well, simple. If I can pick up another share, I will, but I think that's probably the max. Again, this week I put in $1,000 in both the TFSA and FHSA account. So we're going to jump over to the FHSA account and invest in that as well. But like I was saying before, take advantage of those contribution rooms as fast as you can, just so the interest can compound over a longer period of time. A lot of people are have the idea that if you have a lump sum of money, is it easier or better to dollar cost average over time or put in the lump sum? And research shows that putting in that lump sum rather than dollar cost averaging is actually beneficial, because you take advantage of that compounding interest of that time that you're losing through dollar cost averaging. So with me, obviously I'm putting a certain amount in every week and dollar cost averaging is working for me. But if you do have like a lump sum, then putting it into the market is definitely beneficial. So without further ado, let's dive into the FHSA. We're going to continue to buy cash ETF. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you guys, this is really cool. I love this feature. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is that I'm thinking about increasing my position into QQC.F as well, into TFSA, and just moving forward in general. That follows the NASDAQ 100 index. So let me know what you guys think about that. Both of those went through, and just to recap, guys, we bought I think 8 shares or so of VFV and 21 shares of QQC.F. Before I let you guys go, let's jump over to the Blossom account just to see how the dividends have been accruing with my portfolio. And again, if you guys have any questions, concerns, just shoot me a message down below. So check back to you guys in 2 seconds. I'm just going to go check out the Blossom account and show you guys the dividends in the portfolio. So be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, this is my Blossom portfolio, and we just reached 20,000 followers on Blossom. So thank you to each and every one of you that have followed me on Blossom. If you haven't already, download the link in the description. My username is @Riley or Canadian Dividend Investing. So without further ado, let's go to portfolio and dividend forecast. As you can see, in the last year, the portfolio is up to $2,892 in dividends that we're accruing. On a monthly basis, we're making about $241, and on a daily basis, $7.93. So thank you guys so much for watching again this week. Get ready for another update next week where we try to submit about the same amount, and let me know about the QQC.F and if I should start to increase my position in that in my TFSA. So have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching, and we'll speak to you next week.